Hello everyone, how are you? I hope we all are fine. Today our topic is coordination compounds. Before going to that, I will explain some basics here. Compounds. What are compounds? How they are formed? For example, NaCl. How it is formed? These two elements Na plus and Cl minus combine together to give NaCl. Yes, na? How they are formed? There is a bond between these elements, either ionic bond or covalent bond. What is an ionic bond? Transfer of electrons. Ionic bond is nothing but transfer of electrons between the atoms. Transfer of electrons between the atoms are nothing but ionic bond. Coming to this covalent bond, sharing of electrons. Here electrons sharing between the atoms. Electrons are sharing between the atoms. For example, water molecule. Here water molecule. Hydrogen. Here it has 6 lone pair of electrons in their outer shell. Oxygen 1s2, 2p6, 6 electrons in their outer shell. It obeys the octant rule. It will share 1 electron with the hydrogen. These are the hydrogen 1 electrons. They share 1 electrons from this hydrogen to form. It fulfill their octant rule. This is nothing but what? Covalent bond. Now coming to this coordination bond. What is the coordination bond? In this coordination bond, we require one acceptor. Acceptor is nothing but central ion. One acceptor, central ion, and one donating element. One donor we required. What we required? We required acceptor and donor. In this covalent bond, the electrons are sharing between the atoms. It forms compounds. These are the covalent compounds. Here coming to this coordination compound, we required one acceptor. Acceptor is nothing but central ion, and donor. Donor is nothing but another name is ligand. Ligand. Now coming to the central ion. Central ion. Central ion is also called, it is present center of the coordination sphere. Where it is located? Center of the coordination sphere. The central metal atom which has one or more vacant orbitals to accept their electrons. The central ion has either neutral or anions to form coordination with donor atom. Is called central atom. What is the central atom? Here I will explain again. Central atom is present in the center of the coordination sphere. What is the nature of the central atom? It has accepting nature. It has vacant orbital to accept the electrons from the donor atom to form a coordination bond with these ligands. See here, FeCN6 3 plus. Here ferrous ion is a central atom. In this complex, this ferrous metal is ferrous ion is a central ion. Central ion. What is the nature of the central ion? Central ion has accepting nature. It is a lack of electrons. By donating this ligand, it will fulfill their electrons. It has a accepting nature. Now coming to the ligand. What is the nature of this ligand? It has a donor nature. It has a donating donor nature. It donates electrons to the metal atom. It donates electrons to the metal atom. It is surrounding the metal atom. It is present surrounding the metal atom. For example, in this complex CONH36 Cl3, in this hexaamino cobalt chloride, in this cobalt is a central atom. Here these 6 ammonia molecules are ligand. These 6 ammonia molecules are ligand. In these 6, what is the donating element in this ammonia? Nitrogen. Again, nitrogen is a donating character. It has a donor electrons. It donates an electron pair to the central metal atom and form a coordination bond with the cobalt atom. It form a complex. Basing on the donating nature of the ligand, again these are classified into 2-3 types. Monodentate ligands. Monodentate ligand. First one, monodentate ligand. Second one, polydentate ligand. Polydentate ligand. Third one, ambidentate ligand. Ambidentate ligand. Basing on the donating nature of this element, again these ligands are classified into 3 types of monodentate, polydentate and ambidentate.